Hello guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to edit your photographs like professionals do in Adobe Lightroom and get the preset which you can use whenever you want. You can download this preset absolutely for free. You need just to find a password which appears twice during the video, right over there. If you have any troubles about that, find the instruction below the video and you'll get it for sure. Also, we made the same color correction for video. So now you can have your photo and video content in one style. Which is awesome, isn't it? You are able to use this loot in any video editor you got. Premiere Pro, After Effects, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut and even VN Editor for mobile phones. You can find the link to the video loot down below in the description. Guys, if you need the preset right now, if you have no time to watch this video and repeat after me or look for a password to download it for free, you can just go to our website presetstore.com and find your favorite color correction there. It's not for free but it's worth that. Every presets contains from 3 to 6 versions for PC and mobile platforms of Lightroom. Check it out guys. So, it's time to get started.
Cause I wanna freeze this moment, make it mine, hold you close. Now my heart's wide open. When I'm with you, suddenly I feel no pain. Do you make it go away? Do you make it? Cause I wanna freeze this moment, make it mine, hold you close. Now my heart's wide open. When I'm with you, suddenly I feel no pain. Do you make it?
Guys, if this video gets 300 likes during the week, you'll get the same LUT for videos in cube format.
Do you make it go away? Stop the time, cause I wanna freeze this moment, make it mine, hold you close. Now my heart's wide open. When I'm with you, suddenly I feel no pain. Do you make it go away? Do you make it?
Give this video like, and if the video gets 300 likes in the week, you are able to get LUT with the same color grading like this preset has. Well done. Presets ready. The result is just awesome. I hope you got the same one. If you like this color grading, probably you'll like others which we have many on our channel. Just check it out, and you will find something for you. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.